Hello children, in this video we are going to learn three-letter words with short vowel E and sentences having those three-letter words. So let's start. D-A-N, den. You can mute the video and read if you want to practice reading, or if you want to learn the words, you can listen to the sounds. H-A-N, hen. M-A-N, men. P-A-N, pen. T-A-N, ten. B-A-D, bed. F-A-D, fed. L-A-D, led. R-A-D, red. V-A-D, ved. B-A-T, bet. G-A-T, get. J-A-T, jet. L-A-T, let. M-A-T, met. N-A-T, net. P-A-T, pet. S-A-T, set. V-A-T, vet. V-A-T, vet. Y-A-T, yet. Now we read the sentences. Each sentence has a three-letter word with short vowel E. Let's start. This is a dark den. Den. You can mute the video and then read it on your own. See the red hen. I see three men. Men. I have a red pen. Red pen. I am 10 years old. 10. Go to your bed. Bed. He fed the dog. Tom led the way. Led. My hat is red. Red. They got wed. Wed. I bet I can run. Bet. Go. Get the ball. Get. The jet is fast. Jet. Let me go out. Let. I met my friend. Met. The net is big. Net. I love my pet. Pet. Set the cup here. Set. The vet helps dogs. Vet. The cat is wet. Wet. Is it time yet? Yet. The bear is in the den. Den. The hen laid an egg. Hen. The men are tall. Men. The pen is on the book. Pen. I have 10 pens. 10. My bed is soft. Bed. She fed the fish. Fed. The teacher led us out. Led. I like the red ball. Red. Do not bet on it. Bet. Did you get a toy? Get. See the big jet. Jet. Please let me play. Let. We met at school. Met. This is my pet dog. Pet. Help me set the box down. Set. The green grass is wet. Wet. Look at the big den. Den. This is a fat hen. Hen. Two men are walking. Men. Can I use your pen? Pen. He can count to 10. 10. The cat is on the bed. Bed. I fed my pet. Fed. Pet. She led the horse. Led. See the red apple. Red. I bet you are right. Bet. Let the cat in. Let. He met the teacher. Met. The fish is in the net. Net. My shoes got wet. Wet. I am not tired yet. Yet. The fox likes his den. Den. The hen can cluck. Hen. The men have hats. Men. This pen writes well. Pen. Show me 10 fingers. 10. Hop into bed now. Bed. Have you fed the cat? Fed. Sam led the game. Led. The car is red. Red. They wed in May. Wed. We made a small bet. Bet. Let us get food. Get. The blue jet landed. Jet. Will you let him help? Let. Great job. You spotted all the three-letter words. Keep practicing, young readers.